welcome to another episode of Lay's Kitchen. Let's come cook with me. So today we're going to be doing a traditional Vietnamese vermicelli bowl. I'd love these for its flavor and how versatile these bowls can be. I'm starting off by picking some mint off of the sprig. You can use any mint that you'd like. I'm using this one as well as a perilla one, which you can see right here. And we're going to be chopping these up to more bite-sized pieces, and they're going to be a garnish on top of our bowls. You can use anything you want, really. These are just the ones that I grew up with, but I'm using some cucumber, a couple of mint, some bean sprouts, and some red leaf lettuce. And next we're going to be boiling our rice noodles. A quick chefy tip is once they come out, you want to rinse them out with some cold water. This ensures that it stops cooking, so it's not going to be soggy by the time you eat it, and it's not going to be sticking to each other, which you don't want that either. We're going to be cutting some meat next. I'm using a flank steak. This is perfect. And another chefy tip is see how the lines are pointed in one direction. You're going to want to cut against those lines, so against the grain, and that ensures that it's not going to be tough when you cook them. And to season the meat, we're going to be using some soy sauce, some hoisin sauce. The hoisin sauce has a nice sweet taste, and it gives it more umami and flavor to your meat. And some garlic salt, and some crushed red pepper. The peppers are going to give a nice subtle kick at the end, which is something I really love. And some regular pepper as well. Next, we're going to be throwing it in the saute pan. So I found these amazing things in the grocery store, and they're frozen garlic and ginger cubes, which is great for holding if you're not using it all the time. And they are amazing with already being minced and already portioned in individual cubes. So you just pop them right into your pan when they come out of the freezer. And you're going to want to saute these till they're a nice golden brown. And while you do, you're going to notice a nice fragrant smell from these garlic and ginger cubes. And then you're going to throw in your meat, which is going to add flavor from your sauteed ginger and garlic. Next, we're going to make the sauce. A quick rule of thumb is 2-2-1. So 2 fish sauce, 2 warm water, and 1 sugar. The warm water is going to ensure that the sugar melts. And I love how versatile these bowls are. You could, add some chili and some herbs to your sauce. You can make a different variety. You can add different veggies if you like, whatever you prefer. You can use any kind of meat. You can add any toppings you'd like. A lot of traditional rice noodle bowls have egg rolls, but I didn't have any on hand, but it was still really tasty. So let me know what you think, and like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, you guys.